me up, turn my mic up, my nigga. This shit don't sound loud, my nigga. You gotta turn me more up, you feel me? EBKJ, ayy, EBKJ spraying on this block. Bitch, I got this chop. Pussy niggas back to die. Little nigga got shot up in his eye. That's why he can't bust up on his block. Cause that boy got a dead block. Javier pass me that Glock. We back to send him to the sky. And you already know we going to the top. Bitch, I'm flexing down with the fire. We gon' sprint on this motherfucking block. Pussy nigga, ayy.
Yeah, pussy ass nigga, we ain't no polo with my Drake Glock down. We gon' hop out in the high speed chase. With the Glock switch, we gon' catch a nigga yakking. We gon' come in through the waist. Like I'm on switch and my yank. Step 1, step 2. We gon' come and shoot you. We gon' come and spin it back. We gon' come and grab back. We gon' grab back. We gon' hit yes. We gon' crash your cars. We gon' crash your all your trips. Hop it in the solo way. Always keep on orange slip. David Park, David Pass a Glock, pass EBKJ with the Draco. If we see it out, nigga, he gon' send shots to his brain. We gon' come and spray the block, leave it up 100 shots in this scan. We gon' donate in the Hellcat. All EB talk on the internet shit. But come on, bitch, don't speak it on my name on the set. We gon' come and drive by, we gon' come and shoot. I hear yeah, me and my niggas, we gon' slide in the stolen range road. We gon' hop out, me and my gang used to walk out. Then I pop up with my gang, bitch and pain. Try to give me some pain, try to give me brain. Even though if I see a nigga try wanna throw 100 rounds, I might go and shoot at the Drake. But when my hooper hammer ever come me suspended, I'ma go and turn his head rock a spoon. Only even know if a nigga try eat some shrooms. I'ma go to shoot down some micro joint, show and spit my name, back it in the J. We gon' come and spit. We gon' come and witch, diamonds on my name, my chain. Go back with the gang, they will hop out. They will all knock a nigga dress. Kobe, he got step on. Pull up with the strippers, we gon' go keep 100 rounds. Always keep a Glock switch, always keep a Glock in my waist. White, every single nigga with the chop. Hit her with the pull up with my Glock, pull up 300 shots. We gon' want it in the sky, and the brand new Hellcat. We gon' come and spin back.